Your next-generation home standby generator comes securely packaged to a shipping pallet. After removing the exterior box, you will need to remove the included transfer switch from the top of the generator packaging. You will also find the keys required to access the generator enclosure, as well as a radio module that will be required to connect to the generator controller via the Field Pro app. After removing all the packaging, you will be required to remove the pallet mounting bolts at each corner of the shipping pallet. Then remove the generator's front and side panels, as well as the additional installation materials from the generator. This provides access to the pallet bolts inside the generator enclosure. Once the final pallet bolts have been removed, the generator is now prepared to be moved. Moving a 400-pound generator can be challenging. In order to address this, Generac created the GenCart. It is uniquely designed to allow for a single individual to be able to move, maneuver, and place air-cooled standby generators. This avoids multiple people being required to lift, move, and place a unit. This is not only convenient, but also is a safer alternative. By leveraging the center of gravity of the generator, the GenCart is designed to easily allow a person to lift the unit off the provided shipping pallet. The GenCart features safety clips to ensure safe operation and eliminate handle snap back. It also has rubber end caps that provide a stable resting position while transporting a generator. Lastly, the GenCart's pneumatic tires allow for easy operation over multiple types of terrain. The latest model of the GenCart is both compatible with Generac's next-generation home standby generators, as well as Guardian series generators, making it more versatile with different generator installations.